So we are going to continue topic 2.9 quotient rule, and this time we are going to evaluate the derivative. So looking at the instructions here, it says we're supposed to find dy dx, which means find the derivative, and we're going to evaluate it at x equals 2. So I know I'm using quotient rule because I have y equals x squared minus 3 divided by 2x minus 3. So since I said divided by, I know it's quotient rule. So my numerator is my red function, my denominator is my green function. I'm going to start by just taking the derivative. I'm going to label it dy dx because that's what the problem started with. So the derivative of my red is 2x. I'm going to keep my green the way it is. So 2x cubed minus 1. I'm going to use subtraction because that's the rule. I'm going to keep my red the way it is, so x squared minus 3. And then the derivative of my green is 6x. And then it's all over my green squared. Now, I'm not going to simplify it because I'm plugging in a number, and I find that when I plug the number in, it's easier to just plug the number in, and it will simplify from there. So dy dx, and I'm going to evaluate that at x equals 2. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 cubed minus 1 minus 2 squared minus 3 times 6 times 2 all over 2 times 2 cubed minus 1 squared. All right, so let's see, 2 times 2 is 4, and then 2 cubed is 8. 8 times 2 is 16 minus 1 is 15. Minus, and then we've got 2 squared is 4, minus 3 is 1. 6 times 2 is 12. All over, and then we got 2 cubed is 8, times 2 is 16, minus 1 is 15 squared. And then let's see, 4 times 15 is going to be 60. And then minus 12 over 15 squared is 225. And then 60 minus 12 would be 50, no, not 50, 48. 48 over 225 is what we would get for our final answer.